Why, hello there. Peaches wandering aimlessly in the background there. We're here downtown Phoenix, Central City, Phoenix, somewhere in Phoenix. This is going to be as random as it gets. There's nothing on the itinerary. We are just walking aimlessly around Phoenix at night. It seems safe. There's people around. It seems okay. Let's go see what we can find. Our first stop is the Westward Ho Hotel. Or at least it used to be. This building opened in 1928. There's a big radio antenna on the top. It was the tallest building in the Phoenix skyline for a long time, about 30 years it says. No longer a hotel, but lots of famous people stayed here. Marilyn Monroe, Martin Luther King, Al Capone, among many others. And this guy, oh, where'd he go? Where'd he go? Oh, jeez. I don't even know what he's talking about. Like I said, it seems pretty safe. That was a little sketchy getting back there. They were...
Put a helmet on.
They were a little out there. Woo! We stumble across this large net. I'm not quite sure what it is. We were sitting here while we wait. Can we walk? Walk! Got some nice art in this alleyway here. Hashtag Hugo's art. Now we've stumbled across this pretty cool looking theater, the Orpheum. I like it. Opened on January 5th, 1929. There's some sort of event going on, but I honestly have no idea what. I've been kind of watching this thing to see if it showed it, and currently nothing. Just showing what's coming up, not what's going on right now. City of Phoenix Public Employee Memorial. Straight ahead. For those who have given their lives in the line of duty. We have this little mural here. Not too far from the theater. Right back there's the theater we were just at. Right by Adams and Central, there's a Dunkin' Donuts with a peach stand in the street. And we got some bears up here. They're about to fight. They're gonna fight over that Dunkin'. They're like, I want my coffee. Look at the beautiful waterfall next to this interesting piece of art here. I don't know what it's supposed to be. I love that movie. But I feel like we're not talking about the same thing. Are we? Oh my goodness. These little steps caught me off guard. They're so tiny. I almost tripped like 5 times. We just climbed up the stairs that were right on the other side of there. And then we came through this tunnel, and it's like walking through a portal. We went from the city to Heritage Square. What is this? Look at this. The city's it's still right there. You can see kind of behind that tree. Still right there. We have this little like residential neighborhood. Crazy. This is so strange. This feels like it's fake. As Peach just mentioned, the Truman Show. It's like a little fake town. It's so weird. It's so strange. Let's walk down the creepy alleyway in the creepy fake town. Everything is so perfect. It's like a movie set. So weird. Here we have the Rosen House, one of the original houses in Phoenix. Victorian style house, way out west. Don't see too much of that. Not gonna lie, the creepy fake street, coolest thing we've seen on this walk. Pretty awesome, actually. Ah, we've stumbled across another beautiful waterfall. This frog looks like he's awfully tempted. He's gonna jump. He's gonna do it. Is this a frog or a toad? I think it's a frog. Don't do it, frog. Don't do it. No, he's going for it. He did it. He leaped. It's a leap of faith. That's going to end up head first into the water. It's a nice little bridge here that you can walk across this little fountain. That's pretty hilarious. Social distance like it's a 6th grade dance. Keep your distance, people. Keep your distance. Oh, plane. Going behind the building there. Where'd he go? Did it land? It just, oh, there he is. He's just much slower than I expected. Bye, plane. Or like your personal bubble overinflated. That one's got to be the funniest, though. Like a moody cat. Sasquatch! Never mind. This is by far the best one. Bigfoot! All these little tables have sayings on them about social distancing. That's awesome. Clever. Very clever. 10-foot selfie stick. And that's it. That's our little walking tour around Phoenix. I'm gonna be honest, we didn't see a lot of stuff. I'm kind of surprised by that, kind of taken back by that a little bit. It's almost like we parked in the wrong spot. We weren't going anywhere particular. We were just wandering around the streets, and we saw some cool stuff. The Heritage Square, though, that we were just at, that was by far the coolest thing. That was worth the walk. That was definitely worth the walk. If you enjoyed the video, I am incredibly surprised, so please like it, because we didn't see a lot. Subscribe to the channel. We do lots of filming locations, theme park videos, and random things like this from time to time. And until next time, be good, have fun, and learn something.